The universe is vast, and for nearly all of human history, our solar system was all we knew. But now, thanks to a global network of telescopes, we are finally seeing what has been passing us by for eons. We are living in a new era of cosmic discovery. And on July 1st, 2025, astronomers using the Atlas survey detected something that would challenge everything we thought we knew about the universe, only the third such object ever seen. A visitor from interstellar space. Its name is 3I Atlas. What if an object entered our solar system that defied easy explanation? An object moving at a speed so high it could only have been achieved by traveling for billions of years, and yet this one appears young, active, very much alive. This isn't science fiction. This is the reality of 3I Atlas. Its very existence is a puzzle that has the world's top scientists scrambling for answers, and for the first time in history, the powerful eyes of both the Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescopes are locked onto a single interstellar traveler, trying to understand how this celestial enigma can possibly exist. To grasp why 3I Atlas is so baffling, we first need to understand what makes an interstellar object. Comets from our solar system are bound to the Sun by gravity. They follow elliptical orbits destined to return again and again, but 3I Atlas is different. It's on what astronomers call a hyperbolic trajectory, not a leash, but an exit visa. It isn't bound to our Sun, it's just passing through. Its path is so extreme and its speed so high that there is no question. It did not originate here. It came from another star system. That alone makes it a priceless scientific treasure, a physical piece of another solar system delivered right to our doorstep. But it's the combination of its characteristics that creates the mystery. First, its speed. 3I Atlas is screaming through our solar system at roughly 210,000 kilometers per hour. That's 130,000 miles per hour, the fastest interstellar visitor ever recorded. Faster than both Oumuamua and 2I Borisov. This velocity suggests a journey built up over perhaps 7 to 11 billion years, older than our entire solar system. And here lies the paradox. A trip that long is brutal. Interstellar space is filled with cosmic rays that should strip away and destroy the fragile ices that make comets active. After billions of years, it should be a dead, inert rock. But the data says otherwise. Observations confirm that 3I Atlas is very much active. It has a fuzzy coma of gas and dust, shedding material like a fresh young comet, a process that, according to our models, should have ended billions of years ago. Then there's its size. Hubble has refined the nucleus to be between 320 meters and 5.6 kilometers across, potentially the largest interstellar comet ever seen. So what we're looking at is a large, ancient object, traveling at record-breaking speeds, yet somehow still behaving like a newborn comet, a walking contradiction, an impossible survivor. So, if it's not a normal comet, then what could it be? To answer that, scientists have turned our most powerful instruments toward the enigma. For 3I Atlas, both Hubble and James Webb are locked on the same target. A double surveillance campaign to capture it in visible, ultraviolet and deep infrared light. Hubble delivered first. On July 21st, 2025, it captured the clearest images yet. The nucleus itself is too small to be seen directly, but by analyzing the coma, astronomers constrained its size, and they noticed something else. The coma wasn't spherical, but a teardrop-shaped cocoon of dust, with a distinct plume being ejected from the side facing the Sun. In many ways, it looked like a perfectly normal comet, except for the small detail that it shouldn't exist at all. Meanwhile, a million miles away, James Webb is seeing what Hubble cannot. Its infrared vision allows it to detect the chemical fingerprints of the gases escaping from the nucleus. This technique, called spectroscopy, is like performing a chemical analysis from hundreds of millions of kilometers away. And the goal is nothing less than a complete chemical inventory of an alien solar system. Early results confirm the presence of water ice, but Webb is now searching for carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, ammonia, and organic compounds. the raw ingredients for life. This data is the Holy Grail, a direct sample of the building blocks from another star's protoplanetary disk. By comparing its chemistry to comets, in our own solar system, scientists hope to answer profound questions. Are the ingredients for life common throughout the galaxy? Borisov hinted that solar systems could be very different. But what secrets will 3I Atlas reveal? The investigation is a race against time. The comet will remain visible until September 2025. After that, it will vanish behind the sun, hidden in the glare. Every photon collected during this brief window is a precious clue, and already the evidence is forcing us to confront an uncomfortable possibility. Our fundamental models of the universe might be incomplete. How can an object this large and this active survive a multi-billion-year journey through deep space? One possibility is that our models of the interstellar medium are wrong. Maybe cosmic rays aren't as destructive as we thought. Another, more tantalizing possibility is that planetary systems form and eject objects in ways far more diverse than we've ever imagined. Analysis of its orbit suggests 3I Atlas may have originated in the Milky Way's thick disk, a region of older stars. If true, it could have been born in an ancient solar system, one capable of producing objects far more robust than our own. And then there's its trajectory. Most interstellar visitors cut through our solar system at steep, random angles. But 3I Atlas, its path is almost aligned with the planets, just 5 degrees off the ecliptic plane. Some dismiss this as coincidence. Others, like Harvard's Avi Loeb, point out that the odds of such alignment are extremely low. That statistic doesn't prove intent, but it does invite the question, could we be looking at something deliberately engineered? Most scientists firmly believe 3I Atlas is natural, but its anomalies serve as a powerful reminder. Sometimes the universe hands us mysteries that demand an open mind. The verdict will come not from speculation but from data, from exquisite measurements of its orbit, its outgassing and its chemical composition. Because ultimately, the revelation of 3I Atlas is not just what it is, but what it represents. With powerful new sky surveys, we are no longer just waiting for these interstellar visitors. We are actively searching for them, and we will find more, each one a message in a bottle from another solar system. The story of 3I Atlas is far from over. It poses no threat to our planet. Its only impact will be on our textbooks and our understanding of the universe. Soon its coma will dim, its spectrum will fade, and it will become just another faint point of light, shrinking into invisibility. Once it's gone, there is no going after it, no second chance, and that leaves us with a humbling thought right now. A piece of another world is here in our skies, and humanity is staring at it with everything we have. One day another interstellar traveler will come, but we will remember this moment. The first time humanity's 2 greatest eyes worked together to watch a single speck move through our cosmic neighborhood, a beautiful, impossible object that shouldn't exist, and yet clearly does.